Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are doing a kitchen sink line in Hudson, New Hampshire. We will see you when we get there. Bye!
And is there any water in this right now?
Probably.
I don't want to wet the cabinet. Can I steal one of your trash bags?
Yeah.
I didn't realize how short that was. I'm going to show you a trick. Unless you already know this trick, but this is one of Bob's tricks. Did you hear what happened to Paul? He was on his way back up here.
Oh, yeah.
That whole stuff. He didn't tell us. He didn't get in touch with us in time because we would have driven to South Carolina to help him. We were in Virginia.
Oh,
You know?
yeah.
It wouldn't have been that far for us.
Yeah, you hit a curb.
I told him to stop driving like an asshole then.
Yeah.
You're actually dry here. What? Oh, did you get a new truck?
A while ago.
The black one?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you always had the blue one.
No. It was probably 6 months or so.
Oh. Yeah, we bought a little Chevy Aveo to drive down to Virginia in. It only cost us $3,000. It's actually really big inside too. Yeah. It was only 18 gallons of gas to get down there.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
It was amazing.
How long did it take?
On the way down, because we hit New York traffic and Jersey traffic, and it was crazy because it was opening weekend for a lot of the colleges. All right, Billy, what'd you do? Did you glue it? Are you telling me I'm weak?
No. Take the top piece off.
What?
The top nut.
Why would I? Yeah, but then I gotta take the whole thing apart. I should just be able to pop that part off.
Should be able to,
But Billy plumbed it in?
yeah. I made it start going all apart.
Just kidding.
Rotating or anything.
No, it's like stuck right here. That's why I was like, did you glue it? Like, did glue accidentally get in there?
No, I should know because I used that separately. I didn't have it connected.
And it's off completely. You want to try it? So I don't break it? You'll see it's like, it's right at the back of the elbow. It's like coming up. That sounded glued to me.
No.
Well, now look at your end. You can dump it in that bucket.
Why'd you take this off?
It
Just kidding.
I was about to say, you told me to do that. But, yeah, but now it looks like your threads are broken on the other side.
Oh. No.
Oh. Okay. I was just weak. It should be off, right? Okay, so plug it in. My hand's on the cable. If it's not off, then you shut it off. You're good.
It's not off.
Then shut it off is what I said.
Oh.
I don't think there's going to be any way that I can test it without pulling it all the way out. This is, while I'm putting this back together to test it, run out to the truck and get that drain cleaner to stick on it.
Is that?
Yep.
Okay. Is it okay if we bring water too?
If you what?
Bring water in.
Bring it, yeah. It went down, it was acting like it wasn't vented, that's why I was like, but. Landscaping?
Yeah. I'm doing a little bit of everything.
I know, I look at my arms. Ended up getting poison ivy at the beginning of August on our side yard because I was doing landscaping at the house. I didn't know it was poison ivy. I ended up at the doctor's like 5 times.
Really?
Yeah, till they finally gave me a shot, and it's just now starting to clear up.
I haven't got it in a year. They feel bad at the kid, but.
Knock on wood.
Yeah.
This one was what they call black dot. It like had a black dot in all the middle of the blisters. And I was reading on it. I guess if it goes untreated, you can like, it can like kill the muscles and stuff.
Really?
Yeah. I'm like, that's great.
Yeah. Just what you need.
Yeah.
The whole needs to be down.
Right, exactly. So he's actually we did get good news. He's on the upward climb now. Yeah. So right before we went to Virginia, he had an appointment, and the doctor said that his X-rays, he's finally on the upward now. So as long as he stays doing what he's supposed to be doing, he'll be good.
It's gonna take him a while to get into the swing of things and going to work every day again.
Well, I mean, he was coming out and doing some with us, like jet jogs and stuff like that we had. I don't know if he's,
Yeah, we saw
if you
that.
watched them on YouTube and stuff, but we've been doing, he does come out and do a couple. Other than that, it's usually just her and I now, or Scotland. More than not now, it's probably just going to be me because she has to. But YouTube sent us a thing that our channel is taking off and they're starting to promote our channel.
YouTuber?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. I want to get really hot too.
I love hot water. Scary. I got in the shower already and God, I felt good. I'm going to come to your bed. It's like, but if you know what I deal with on a daily basis, I want to boil my skin.
That's kind of aggressive. I have a cramp on my shoulder.
Painting a mirror?
No, I don't want it. I don't wear black on the side of the curtain.
What's the name of this saying that? White. Eric White. I let my master go, but I still have my master. And he's like, I was on a job in Lowell, and he's like, I was working with Bob from Drain Addict, and he's like, I think he pulled the permit, like Bob pulled the permit, and Eric was there or something, and the inspector got all pissed off because Eric was the master, or because Eric didn't have his journeyman anymore. He was like all pissed off about the way he did it. He's like, I have a master, I don't know what to tell you. Like,
He got mad at the way that Eric did it, or the way that Bob did it?
No, the way that Eric did
Oh.
it. Not the work, but the way he pulled the permit. I don't know, Eric rambles on and on and on and
I've
on
known
and
Eric
on
since
and
I
on.
was 5.
Have you?
Yeah. And I know exactly what job he's talking about. And when I shut that off, I'll talk to you about it. So, alright, we're gonna run cold water through this now. Because it went down. So, and then we can take this out.